Alright guys, got something special, a 1946 Chrysler Windsor. Old, funky looking too. Anyways, so, yeah, 44, no converters, so manifolds up there somewhere. Same over, oh yeah, right there. Manifold headers down, and he had some stock mufflers on it, same as was on here before, but it were smaller, and it was too loud for him. So we took those off and put bigger mufflers on there to help try to quiet it down. Then we redid the tailpipes on each side because they were hitting over the rear axle. So into new black tips right there and right there. Right there, right there. And that was the old two stock mufflers that were on it right here. That was the stock tailpipes right there and right there that we cut off, cleaned it up, put some new tips on it, make it look cleaner. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, you can work on that carburetor.
Seems quieter.
Yeah. Yeah, that accelerator pump.
Yeah.
I got to work on that a little bit. Yeah, much quieter.
Oh yeah, a tremendous amount.
Yeah. My wife will be glad. My neighbor will be glad.
Sound decibels? 90, 92.
Yeah, I got to adjust that carburetor.
We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. '46 Chrysler Windsor.